Hey guys, we have a '09 Honda Accord here. Customer complained belt squeaking. So we pulled up the professional wiring diagram for the belt. So we're gonna replace the belt, but while replacing the belt, come to find out it's not just the belt. The tensioner is extremely weak. So what we will do, we'll put a tensioner and we'll take it from there. So if you have a belt squeaking for Honda Accords, 90% of the time will be the belt, 70% of the time will be the belt and tensioner. So just make sure you check them both, the belt and the tensioner. Honda Accords. And if you need a professional wiring belt diagram, it's right here.